Success is not a hidden secret. Success is not a predetermined fate. Success is not a gift bestowed by others. Success is a hidden code, unlocked only by those who dare to discover it. And you, right now, in this very moment as you hear my voice, are standing on the threshold of uncovering these hidden codes. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a future not so far from now where you have achieved every goal that once lived only in your dreams. Picture a reality where fear no longer holds you back, where doubt has vanished, where no obstacle can stop you. You have arrived at the life you always longed for. Now, look back. See how a single decision, a shift in mindset, a simple choice has transformed your life forever. Successful people have one thing in common. They understand that the mind is like fertile soil. Whatever seed you plant will grow. If you plant doubt, you will harvest a forest of despair. If you plant fear, towering walls of limitation will rise around you. But if you plant growth, if you plant faith, if you plant resilience and persistence, an extraordinary future awaits you. Right now, you have a choice. Leave behind the fixed mindset, the mindset that has held you back, that whispers, I can't, I'm not good enough, this path isn't meant for me. But in this moment, you are changing. You are breaking free from the chains that have bound you for years. You are worthy of success. And success begins with a goal, but not just any goal, a clear, powerful, compelling goal. Not a wish, not a fleeting desire, but a vision that fuels your soul. A goal so vivid, so real, that nothing and no one can deter you from reaching it. Today, right now, you have the power to create that vision in your mind. But a goal without action is meaningless. The most successful individuals have uncovered a great truth. Self-discipline is the force that guarantees success. Think for a moment, if today, right now, you decide to take just one small step towards your goal, if you commit to improving just 1% each day, if you push yourself just a little further every single morning, where will you be in a year? In 5 years, how far will you have come? Are you ready to see this transformation in your life? Are you ready to let go of fear, to step beyond your comfort zone, to embark on a journey that leads to real success? It all starts with a single decision, a decision to take control of your time, to master your thoughts, to build habits that pull you towards your highest potential. You have the power right now to let go of the past. The past is irrelevant. The only thing that matters is this moment. The only thing that matters is the choice you make right now. And on this journey to success, you are not alone. Successful people know another secret: the power of relationships. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are the people around you lifting you up or pulling you down? If you want success, you must learn to build powerful connections, to surround yourself with those who inspire and elevate you, to place yourself in the world of achievers. But along the way, challenges will come. They are inevitable. Every successful person has faced failure, but they have one critical difference from the rest. They never gave up. They understand that failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Failure is a guide. Failure is part of the journey to success. And now, you stand at the crossroads of your destiny. Are you ready to reprogram your mind for success? Are you ready to silence the negative voices and replace them with unshakable beliefs? Are you ready to commit to a lifetime of learning, growth, and transformation? Everything you need is already within you. Every answer you seek lies inside of you. The only thing left is for you to wake up, to unlock these hidden codes and use them. And if you do, something incredible awaits you. A new life, a new future, a new you. Today, right now, this moment as you listen to these words, is the moment your life changes forever. The choice is yours. Are you ready to unlock the gates of success?